Hey guys, it's Charlie, and in today's video, I'll teach you a really effective way to make money using DeepSeek. And yes, you can do this from home with just a laptop. Now, if you're new here, my name is Charlie. I have a bunch of businesses, but one of them is affiliate marketing. And this is pretty much the exact same AI strategy that I use to make millions of dollars per year. There's a lot of bad information out there, but I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know. It's going to be completely free. And so yeah, I hope you guys get a ton of value from this video. We'll go through how to create high converting affiliate content. We'll go through some offers that you guys can start promoting immediately, how to use DeepSeek to actually create all this content for us, scaling with pretty easy to make short form content. And yeah, if you're not using this exact strategy, you are already way behind the competition. This is going to save you so much money and time, and I really hope that you can take action. So yeah, just follow along. I'll have all the resources we show in this video down below in the description, and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is go to deepseek.com, and what we're going to do is click on Start Now. It's going to have you either create an account or log in. So here's the main dashboard, and the first thing we're going to do with AI is use it to help us find what affiliate marketing niches we're going to be in. And just a quick intro, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when we promote other people's products or services and we get a small commission when someone actually buys it. This way you act as just the marketer. You don't need to actually make a physical product or a service. You're essentially just promoting other people and they are paying you a commission. It's a simple business model. It's extremely effective and you can absolutely make a ton of money doing just this. So I wrote, what are the top affiliate marketing niches to start a blog and create content in? I'm looking for high paying, lower competition niches. What we're gonna do is turn on DeepThink R1 mode. This might look a little bit different depending on when you are watching this video. And I'll also turn on search. We'll go ahead and click this button right here. It's gonna show us DeepThink actually thinking, and it's pretty cool to read how it's thinking, but we're gonna let that run for a second. All right, so that took a little bit of time, but DeepSeek's thinking model is extremely effective. It does a very good job at weighing the pros and cons. And that's why it takes, up to a minute to create a list like this. But as you can see, it's offered some really good suggestions. We can scroll through here. We see things like niche online courses, subscription boxes, and keep in mind, since I told it to find lower competition niches, that definitely makes it quite a bit harder. These aren't going to be some of the, popular niches you see other people make content about. And so yeah, just basically treat DeepSeek as a very, very smart friend who can answer any question. And the more specific you are with the prompt, the better it is. These are all somewhat niche, which is really great. You don't want to be in a really broad general niche, and that's mostly because the competition is probably a lot higher. For this video, let's go with something like eco-friendly sustainable living. It is something that is on the rise in terms of demand. I'm sure there are tons of affiliate programs that we can also use DeepSeek to find, and we can go ahead and be like, I like number 2, can you give me some of the top paying affiliate programs out there in this niche? Cool. So now that's finished, we can see it's given us a bunch of different affiliate programs we can start to join immediately. It tells us the commission, the types of products, the cookie duration, why it's great, and also an additional tip, which is pretty cool. And so essentially what you do is you use AI like DeepSeek to help you plan and find the foundation for your business, what affiliate programs to sign up for, what your specific niche is, as well as actually use it to create content for you. And I'm going to show you guys in just a bit how to do this specifically with DeepSeek. But first, you need a place to actually put the articles that you write using AI. And for that, of course, we're going to need some type of website. Currently, I have no less than 10 different websites under my businesses. And I'll show you exactly what I use to host and build them. Okay, so if you use the link down below, hostinger.com/Charlie Chang, it's going to take you to this exact landing page. This is the company that I use to host all of my websites. I love a great deal, and Hostinger without doubt is one of the most affordable but high-speed web hosting services that exist. And so if you use my exclusive link down below, you'll get the best pricing there is. I want to help you guys save some money. And also if you use coupon code Charlie Chang at checkout, it's going to take an additional 10% off. But yeah, you want to use that link down below. It's going to take you to this page and we'll click on claim deal. You'll see that there are 3 different plans to choose from. There's the premium, the business, and the cloud startup plan. For most of you guys watching this video, I think the business plan is going to be the best one. It allows you to build up to 100 different websites with one single plan, which is just insane. You get 200 gigabytes of storage, which is plenty, free SSL, free domain, and you also get access to their WordPress AI tools, which can save you a ton of money. If you want to save a little bit of money, you can of course get the premium. It does miss a few of the features, but I don't think most of you will need the cloud startup plan. So we'll go ahead and choose this one. Yeah, anyways, web hosting these days is so affordable. It literally doesn't make any sense not to have a website, because if you want to make money online, you're going to want to have one. So we'll choose how long we want to have the web hosting for. I suggest either 24 or 48 months. The longer you get to lock in the super low rate. Just for this video, I'll show you guys 24 months. And then of course here with coupon code, you're going to enter in Charlie Chang. That's just my name. Click apply. As you can see, it took 10% off. So yeah, we're getting 2 years of web hosting for what, $86, which is just so cheap. And yes, we get a free domain with this order. So we'll go ahead and click continue. It's going to have you create an account and then enter in your payment information. So once you're in your dashboard, what you're going to do is come here and click on add website. We're going to use the Hostinger website builder, which is a lot easier to use. So I'm going to use AI to create this website for me. I just put a brand name as well as a description, and we'll click on create a website. They also have a ton of pre-made templates that you can just select if you want to go that way. But just to save some time, I'm going to have AI do it for me. So now that's done, I can choose my color palette if I want to. I think this one looks pretty solid. We'll go ahead and click continue. And yes, I can absolutely change anything I want here. I can customize it. I can change the template later on. But as you can see, it literally took me about 1-2 minutes to create this website. All I need to do is go in and put in my logo, change up the text, my images, and everything can be done from this website builder. It's extremely easy to edit any of the text. You just click on what you want to change. You can see they have tons of AI tools that can help us create content. We can change our website styles. We can add pages and add to our navigation bar up here. If you want to add blog articles, you'll come here to the blog section, click on add new post and create a blog. And then on any page, we can always add a section by clicking this button right here, choosing from one of the pre-made templates, for example, this one. And if at any point you want to delete a section, it's very easy. You'll just come here and click on this trash can icon. Or if you want to change the order of them, we can go ahead and move this down, move it back up, and so on. And then once you click on go live, it's actually going to become a live website that people can actually go to. And of course, you'll want to connect your domain that you got for free with your Hostinger website package. Now, in terms of creating your blog, this is the really important part because content really is king when it comes to affiliate marketing. You want to create solid content. And now I'm going to show you exactly how to use DeepSeek to help with this. So let's go ahead and say we want to promote a brand like Patagonia. This is probably one that you guys know. And what we're going to do is we're going to have DeepSeek help us create really SEO optimized blog articles. So what I'm going to do is come here to message DeepSeek and I'm going to write something out like this. I want to create a blog article talking about the top 3 most sustainable products at Patagonia. Make sure it's SEO optimized and has a clear call to action to our affiliate link. So I just created a demo link here. Make it between 500 to 600 words. We can absolutely get more specific if we want. You can give it the exact 3 products we want it to talk about. We can point it in different directions. You can get really creative with this. Just for this video though, I'm just going to have it be pretty broad and we'll go ahead and click enter. All right, so it's given us this full article on 3 different products or collections. Now, of course, when it comes to content, you don't want to just copy and paste an article that's generated by AI. This is a fantastic foundation. It's going to save us a lot of time. It's going to save us a lot of mental energy in coming up with, what we say about each product and stuff like that. But we do want to put our own spin on it. So optimally, you'll choose a niche that you yourself are interested in, one that you actually have some experience with so that you can give your own personal input. Because yeah, when it comes to these like super generic articles, yes, you can do it. It's probably not going to perform as well as if you give it a personal touch, but we're saving so much time. And I'm just going to copy and paste this article into our website for now. But of course, when you actually put this into practice, make it your own and don't just fully copy it. So we'll go ahead and click on this right here. We'll go back to our website, to our blog section. Let's click on add new post. So since I do have the business plan, we can absolutely use AI within Hostinger to create articles for us. But since this video is about how to make money using DeepSeek, I'm trying to use the DeepSeek AI model to do it. It is a more advanced AI model than the one that Hostinger comes with, at least right now. So there is some benefit to doing it outside. We'll go ahead and click skip. I'll write it myself. And of course, we can change the blog header. And for the content, I'm going to go ahead and come here. I'm going to paste what I got from DeepSeek. Of course, I'm going to delete most of this stuff at the end. As you can see, it puts that demo link in for us. You might need to change up the formatting if you copy directly. For example, we want this link to be here. Go ahead and select this right here. Click on this button. We'll have it go to a web address, put in our affiliate link and click on save. And now if they click on this, it's going to take them to that link. Go ahead and do that for the rest of the article. Go delete this as well. And of course, fix all the formatting. formatting. We'll want to change this picture, of course. You'll probably want to insert photos in the article itself. And once you're done with this, you'll click on update website. And so yeah, that's the whole website portion. I'm not going to cover this too much. I have a ton of other videos about how to actually build your website in a lot more detail, but this is a great start. It's not that complicated. I find that most people can learn Hostinger within one single day and they get pretty great at it. The main part though is just using DeepSeek or any other AI model to help you create the foundation of your article, put your own personal spin on it, and then put that on your website, right? The whole idea of the game is give your audience as much value as you can, compile information, compile lists, compile opinions, whatever it is, and then give them the option to use your affiliate link because it's pretty much a win-win for everyone. Now, in terms of signing up for actual affiliate programs, there are so many ways to do this. One way I recommend looking at is affiliate networks. So this is going to be things like Impact Radius, Partner Stack, Commission Junction, Share Sale. There are tons of them. And basically what these networks do is they allow you to sign up for one account, let's say through Partner Stack. So for example, here we can see there are tons and tons of affiliate programs that we can sign up for. It's going to tell you the commission that they're paying. We're going to have a trending section. We can browse by different categories. And yeah, just a very easy place to find a bunch of programs that you can join. There are also tons of direct affiliate programs you can join. So for example, there's the Temu affiliate. This is one that I like to show because anyone can sign up. You're not promoting a specific product, but you can promote pretty much any product that is available on Temu. And it's very similar with Amazon Associates as well. If you want to sell any product on Amazon, you can earn a commission, usually 1 to 10% of the purchase price. And that is definitely something you can sign up for as well. These are all great beginner places to find affiliate programs to join. I'm not going to go into too much detail on this, but just know that almost every single business or company out there is going to have some affiliate program. If you just search up that company or brand and an affiliate program on Google, the website to sign up should show up if they do have one. Essentially, if I were a beginner with affiliate marketing, that's where I would start. I'd find these affiliate networks, sign up for them, look through the different affiliate partners on those platforms. I'd use DeepSeek to help me find different affiliate programs within a specific niche. I'd go ahead and manually find them and then sign up. And yeah, that's basically what I want to say about, finding affiliate programs. Now in 2025 and beyond, just having a website is not going to be enough. What you'll want to do is have a website to promote your affiliate offers, but also pair that with content. And you might be thinking, what if I don't want to be in videos? That's completely okay. You do not need to be in videos yourself. Although I will say having that personal touch does definitely give you an advantage. So if you are okay with it, I'd say yes, try to be in some of the videos. But with AI and all these automations, you absolutely do not have to. The great thing is that we can use DeepSeek to help us create content very easily. So let me show you exactly how to do that. So I wrote, help me create a 20-second short form video script. I can film myself saying to promote the Patagonia Nano Puff jacket. Make it have a clear call to action to DM me the word jacket for the link. DeepSeek is quite good at creating video script, and the best thing is that you can actually train it. So if you already have a bunch of video scripts you've written, you can load that into DeepSeek, have it use that to train itself and give you something that's more similar to what content you actually want. We can also give it direction, we can give it suggestions, and it's going to learn all that stuff and take all of it into context. So in this case, it gave us this script right here. We don't need to use it exactly. It's just a great way to save us some time. Based on what I'm seeing right now, this one looks a little bit too salesy, so we can absolutely tell it, hey, this is a bit too salesy. Can you make it a little bit more casual? For example, let's say that this is too salesy. Can you make it more casual? Cool. So now it's done. You can see this one is definitely a lot more casual. This is something that I think would work a lot better than the first one. And yeah, it saved me a lot of time. I can just literally read this for a video camera like this, edit it using something like CapCut. And if you don't want to be in the video yourself, of course, you don't need to yourself say this. You can create a video avatar using something like HeyGen. This is a really cool platform that allows you to use different people, basically actors, and you can make them say whatever you want and use that for your videos. You can also do faceless ones where it's not a person, rather it's just a voiceover. There's so many AI voiceover tools these days, such as 11 Labs. HeyGen also has a voiceover tool. Those are just off the top of my head, but there are plenty of other ones that you can find. You can pair that with something like Midjourney to help you create images. You can animate images as well using AI. But I just do want to say one thing, the more AI your content is, the less likely it's going to do well. So while I am a big proponent of using AI in your content creation process, I don't think it should be the only thing you use, because one, literally anyone can do this. There's no moat. There's no like person to person-to-person communication, which I think is pretty big in this space. But just know that there are these tools out there, and if you really don't want to be in videos yourself, you can use AI to automate the whole video content creation process. You'll then post those to Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, whatever other social media platforms you use. And that is like the whole content creation process. Now you might also be wondering, okay, I had it say, DM me the word jacket and I'll send it your way. How do you actually automate this from happening? Because of course you don't want to go through your Instagram DMs, see everyone that has messaged a certain word and then send them a link. That would take way too much time, but you can automate this process with something like High Level or Manychat. I'll have links down below to both. I use both of them. And if you're on social media, you've probably seen other creators or influencers do this. And for the longest time, I was like, how are they, actually sending this thing out automated if I message them or if I comment a word? Well, they're using either High Level or Manychat. It's all done automatically, and it's pretty cool how it works. For example, I'm in one of my Manychat accounts right now, and you can see there are so many different templates we can use. For example, this is a popular one. You can auto DM a link from comments. So you can pick a specific post or a reel to have this be active on. You can choose any post or reel, or you can have it be your next post or reel. Click next. You'll enter a specific keyword. So let's say jacket in this case, and then we can choose what we want to actually send the person. So of course we'd put the affiliate link here and then click on next. Not too many people are doing this when it comes to affiliate marketing, and you'll probably see a ton of videos out there on YouTube that only talk about creating a website, but there's a lot of other stuff you can do to get clicks on your link while still maintaining a high conversion rate, right? Because if you think about anyone that comments a certain word, has high intent. They might be in the process of looking for a specific jacket. They might be going on a vacation soon that requires new clothes, whatever it is. And if they take the time to actually comment, the likelihood that they convert is quite high. And that makes this a very feasible strategy when it comes to high quality affiliate marketing. If you piece it all together, you should have a really great foundation for your affiliate marketing business. Again, DeepSeek is such a great tool. It's very similar to ChatGPT, although it does have, in my opinion, better reasoning skills right now. When you pair AI with the traditional sense of affiliate marketing, you're able to create a website, you're able to create content extremely fast. It's going to save you a lot of headache. It's going to save you a lot of money. And of course, it's going to save you a lot of time as well. Affiliate marketing is not a get quick rich way of making money. It's just not the case. Yes, you can make money relatively quickly, but it does take time and consistency to build it into a real business. But with AI these days, it makes it a lot faster. So if you want to get into affiliate marketing, if you want to make money online, then you absolutely need to use a strategy. I don't recommend any other way. You're just gonna be so behind when it comes to competing with other people that are using AI to build out their content, build out their websites, as well as get strategy for building their business. DeepSeek can do all that for you. That's why it is such a powerful platform. And hopefully you guys can actually take what we talked about in this video, implement it into your own business. And yeah, of course you can watch this video at any time again. Just play from the start, follow along. If you already followed along and took action, then I do want to say you're amazing. Yeah, seriously, making money online, it is one of the best things in the world. I cannot stress this enough. It's allowed me to live my dream life. It's allowed me to buy the things that I want to buy. It's allowed me to have time freedom. And so if you're watching this video, you probably have some sense of entrepreneurship within you. If it is something that you've always wanted to do, I'd say go for it, take the risk, make that time sacrifice right now. And the future you is going to be really glad that you did. Okay, yeah, enough pep talk. I'm just really passionate about entrepreneurship. I hope you guys can tell that. And hopefully this video can help you with your affiliate marketing journey. Again, all the resources that we talked about in this video, they are going to be down below. If you do use those links, it will help support my channel at no additional cost to you. You'll also get a better deal on a lot of the products. So I think it's a pretty big win-win. And yeah, happy online business building. Please give this video a like if you got some value from it, and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. I make a ton of videos about personal finance, entrepreneurship, and investing. All stuff to help you live the most financially successful life you can have. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.